When issues occur during operations such as flight, obstacle avoidance, route planning, or crash, you can upload general issues logs. For firmware updates, video transmission, and other issues, you can upload transmission issues logs. Remote controller connected to charging device. You can also upload charging device issues logs. To upload other logs such as remote controller, app, relay, battery, winch hook, etc., you can process them in custom log upload. Note that relay and electric hook logs require using a data cable to connect to the remote controller, while battery logs require using a charging device to connect the battery to the remote controller. When uploading logs, select the time period when the problem occurred and click Start Upload. If the current location has poor network, you can temporarily store locally first. When the network is good, you can upload logs from the local unuploaded section. After uploading is completed, take a photo of the QR code and hand it over to after-sales personnel for processing.